Hello, great people. Please help me watch this video. I'll be right back.
I just want to tell you, I'm with my friend here, Governor Peter Obi. We're in DC. We came in for the National Prayer Breakfast. But you see, I listened to this man. I listened to Governor Peter Obi. And, ex-Governor Peter Obi, the plans, the ideas, this man raised the bar of leadership in Nigeria. He raised the bar of leadership in Nigeria. Since he left office, can you believe that this man does not take anything, not even like a penny from the Anambra State government? And while he was there, he was a man that built up Anambra State. Anambra State used to be almost educationally disadvantaged. And then in less than 2 years, he brought them to be number one. He left that state with a reserve. Look, we need people like this. I'm so proud of Governor Obi. I listened to him today and, I was taught, do we have fellows like this in Nigeria? I'm very proud of this man. Look at everything that he has touched. He made money for himself in the private sector. He made money for Anambra State in government. Anambra State doesn't borrow money. Are you aware of that? These bailout funds that the current administration is giving states, Anambra State, he left enough for Anambra State. I'm very proud of this man. Governor B, please just say something to my followers, to my fans.
Well, thank you, all of you. All I'm saying is that we have no other country except Nigeria. We must work hard to build it. We must build it. It's our country. We cannot bequeath our children and those coming after us anarchy. We will bequeath them a better country.
Now you heard it. God bless you. Talk to you guys later.
Well, who was that? I think that was, is it Nero Popun? No, sorry. Reno Omokri. Reno Omokri and Peter Obi. This was what Reno said about Peter Obi. So, what really happened? We've had several things, this and that. Somebody said, when it came to election time, Nero or Reno, this name is confusing me. I approached Peter Obi, please, help me now so that I will now, I will boost your campaign. And Peter Obi say, Adame enye shishi. Adame enye shishi. It's like Adame enye shishi. It didn't go down well with him. And you saw recently what Reno again. Oh, Reno. I don't know. When a name is confusing about pronouncing, hope the character is not also confusing. Reno, okay. Hey, I'm making the mistake. Reno has been promoting Peter Obi. It's either Reno is not sincere to himself. If Reno has said this about Peter Obi, then what prompted his change of mind, saying all things about Peter Obi? What prompted it? Did Peter Obi change afterwards, after this video? We understand Reno has information. He has been, he has been saying several things, this and that about Peter Obi. Look at, even this particular video is a summary of Peter Obi. Reno summarized Peter Obi within a minute. So what changed? Why is Reno now? I'm using this video to tell you to mind who you follow. Some people are about what they get. So mind who you listen to. Because people will say certain things because of one influence or the other. People will say something because they were induced by money. If Nero suddenly changed about who Peter Obi is, then what went wrong? Maybe Ghana must go crossed certain hands. I will leave you viewers to tell us, what do you think?